Nice hotel, very nice hotel with pool inside. Good place. Very quiet and far from central city but close to public services like food court, hypermart. Duta Berlian Hotel has a very good indoor swimming pool, very clean with nice and helpful staff. The prices is very cheap compared to facilities. The room rate has included free breakfast and using indoor swimming pool. Excellent. Best place when you visit Dramaga. With low price, you can get a room with balcony, breakfast in classic way and there is an indoor swimming pool. We'll stay again next time. Old hotel but okay, it's one of the oldest hotel in Dramaga. But it's quite well maintained. Near to IPB University, it's a perfect hotel for visiting professor in IPB University. This place is good and very cheap, recommend. Excellent. Duta Berlian Hotel has a wonderful swimming pool, the first choice if I visit Bogor. Good stay at Hotel Duta Berlian. Nice room, nice staff and nice food at touring. Can also buy food at restaurant inside the hotel area. The Wi-Fi at the hallway, lobby and restaurant is very strong. The Wi-Fi signal in the room sometimes lost signal.